Hello kids! Today we will learn OCVC words. These words have the long O sound. Let's start learning together. OCVC words have 4 letters. The vowel O says its name. Listen carefully. O. When a word ends with magic E, the vowel O says its name. That is the long O sound. First word is B-O-N-E, bone. Let us read together. Bone. C-O-N-E, cone. Great job. Say it again. Cone. H-O-M-E, home. Home is where we live. Home. H-O-P-E, hope. Hope means feeling happy inside. Hope. N-O-S-E, nose. We smell with our nose. Nose. R-O-S-E, rose. A rose is a beautiful flower. Rose. Now let's read all the words together. Bone, cone, home, hope, nose, rose. Amazing reading. Can you guess the word? B_N-E. Yes, it's bone. What is this word? R_S-E. Correct, it's rose. Remember kids, when O has magic E, O says its name. Keep practicing every day. You did a great job today. Keep practicing OCVC words. See you in the next video where we will learn about UCVC words. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye-bye.